Welcome to Star Chat, the podcast where we explore the vast expanse of the universe and all its secrets. I'm your host, Carl, and I'm thrilled to have you join me on this journey through the cosmos. Today, we're going to start with a story that's out of this world, literally. Imagine a massive star exploding in a distant corner of the galaxy, sending cosmic shrapnel hurtling towards our planet. It sounds like science fiction, but new research suggests that it might have actually happened around 10 million years ago. Pause for dramatic effect. A team of scientists has discovered a spike of radioactive beryllium buried in metallic rocks deep beneath the Pacific Ocean, which they've dated to just over 10 million years old. This form of beryllium is produced when cosmic rays smash into Earth's atmosphere, and the researchers believe that it could be evidence of a supernova explosion that occurred long ago. Measured pacing. Now, you might be wondering how they narrowed down the possible sources of this cosmic event. Well, using data from the Gaia Space Telescope, which has mapped out billions of stars in the Milky Way, the team was able to trace back the orbits of around 2,700 clusters of stars over the past 20 million years. By calculating the likelihood of each cluster producing a supernova during that time, they found two possible sources for the explosion. Dramatic pause. The most likely source is a relatively young group called ASCC 20, which is located around 200 light-years from Earth. But there's also a possibility that a cluster of stars called OCSN 61 was responsible, although it's a bit farther away. What's intriguing is that our solar system was in a much busier part of the galaxy 10 million years ago, surrounded by a vast wave of gas, dust, and stars known as the Radcliffe wave. Poetic tone. Imagine the cosmic landscape of our galaxy 10 million years ago, a vast, starry expanse filled with the remnants of ancient explosions and the birthplaces of new stars. It's a reminder that our planet is part of a much larger universe, connected to the lives and deaths of stars that are light-years away. Measured pacing. Of course, this research is still in its early stages, and more modeling of the star's movements is needed to confirm whether a supernova really did occur. But if it did, it would fit nicely with other evidence from Earth's geological record, which shows a spike in radioactive isotopes deposited from cosmic dust around 7.5 million years ago. Gentle but passionate delivery. As we continue to explore the universe and uncover its secrets, we're reminded of the awe-inspiring complexity and beauty of the cosmos. From the explosion of stars to the movement of galaxies, every discovery is a reminder of our place in the grand scheme of things. Pause for emphasis. We'll be right back with more fascinating space news on Star Chat. Welcome back to Star Chat, folks. We're diving into the fascinating world of space exploration, and today we have some exciting stories to share with you. In our previous segment, we explored the wonders of black holes. Now, let's move on to something that's out of this world, literally. We've got two fantastic stories for you, straight from NASA. First up, meet Diamond St. John, an engineer working on the Artemis III mission. She's part of a team that's pushing the boundaries of space travel and helping us get back to the moon. Diamond shares her inspiring story, and we get to hear about the incredible work she's doing to make this mission a success. But that's not all. NASA is also inviting everyone to join in on the fun with International Observe the Moon Night, happening on October 4th. This global event is all about celebrating our closest celestial neighbor and exploring its many wonders. From backyard viewing to lunar art projects, there are plenty of ways to participate and be a part of this exciting experience. Whether you're a space enthusiast or just curious about the universe, these stories are sure to captivate and inspire you. So, let's keep looking up and exploring the vastness of space together. Stay tuned for our final story of the day, right here on Star Chat. Welcome back to Star Chat, folks. We've had an amazing conversation so far, discussing the latest developments in space exploration and astronomy. As we wrap up today's episode, I'd like to take a moment to appreciate the breathtaking beauty of our planet from a unique perspective. You know, astronauts on the International Space Station have been capturing stunning images of Earth since 2000, providing us with a wealth of information about our changing planet. One such image that caught my eye is of Golden Lake, also known as Lake Balkhash in Kazakhstan. This incredible photo, taken by NASA's Tim Culper in 2016, showcases the lake's majestic beauty, with golden sunglint highlighting its vast expanse. As we gaze at this breathtaking image, it's a reminder of the importance of space exploration and the role it plays in monitoring our planet's health. By studying Earth from space, scientists can track changes in our environment, from glacier movements to urban wildlife habitats. This knowledge is crucial for informing long-duration missions like Artemis and future human expeditions to Mars. As we continue to push the boundaries of space travel and exploration, let's not forget to appreciate the beauty and fragility of our home planet. So take a moment to look up at the stars and remember that there's still so much to discover and learn about our universe. That's all for today's Star Chat. Remember to like, share, and subscribe, and until next time, remember to keep looking up at the stars.